Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if today or tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow is so they're
They're
freezing.
freezing their cookies off.
Maybe in New York, yeah. I wouldn't. I don't like living in cold, super cold states. Mar, you want to read it? Huh?
No, you're reading.
How are you? No, it's cold. I currently live in North Dakota, so it's cold, cold.
Oh my god.
Oh, wow.
So maybe super, super, super cold.
Super, super cold. So you're born in New York, or are you a New Yorker?
Yeah, he's giving me headache, but he never massaged my.
Giving her a headache. Mars says, I love summer. Yes. Ah, okay, so you're a New Yorker. I heard New Yorkers have accent.
Come to the Philippines. You will gonna like our what you call that one?
What? The food? The beaches?
Mm, the weather.
Oh, the weather?
You will gonna love the weather.
Yeah, the weather. Well, if you love summer, yeah. Because it doesn't really get cold over here. I don't know about Manila. Does Manila get cold? No.
It's always hot.
Mm. Yes,
Yeah.
Philippines is the best. Manila doesn't get cold, huh? I don't. I think you said no. In
Men,
Mar.
all men can be Ichiro.
Wait, you have to read it step by step.
Marami mabuti. What?
The doctor. And then Mars says, all men can be. If you rub her, she will you happy wife, happy life. She will you.
This man always giving me headache, so it's not happy wife.
Wow. Always give her headaches.
Yanda. What is in how do you read it in Don?
Yeah, he said Romero. Well, doctor says gets cool, but this year El Nino. Ya hice Romero. ¿En dónde queda Philippines? He said, where is the Philippines?
Wala asukal, may gatas. Ooh.
You have to read the comment.
I don't know how to read that one.
Okay,
Babe.
I'm still reading it. You need to be patient.
How do, what is this word right here?
We're gonna get to that one. I need to respond first to the first one. First, I'm gonna respond Yaisel real quick. You're making it longer.
Come on, come on.
The Philippines is below Japan and
Below.
Thailand. Yeah, because Japan is right here, and then Taiwan upper. So below Japan, like this way, right? Indonesia. Well, yeah, Indonesia. I think Indonesia is more that way. Mars says, I heard have good food.
Yeah.
Doctor says, yo vivo en Filipinas del Norte. Okay, Ra.
Yeah. Yeah.
Doctor says, yeah, Filipino food is excellent and huge variety. Wow, that deserves a comment. I live, I live Filipino food. Live or love? See right here, I can't comment. unless I have a different